In this video, I'll show you how to find your Windows product key in Windows 11 and also how you can check that you've actually got an activated version of Windows. So if you go to the start icon in Windows 11, then go to settings. What you can do here is first go to system, then go ahead and find activation. So scroll down, activation, click on that. If you go to activation state, you can see that it is currently active. So now let's go ahead and find the key. To do this, what we need to do is open up regedit. So go to search, type in regedit, regedit, and it'll open up the registry editor. From here, it is very simple, but we are going to have to flick through some folders. So don't get confused here. You can go ahead and make this bigger if you need to. So now what you need to do, you need to scroll and you need to go ahead and find your local machine. So click H key local machine and then go ahead and open up the software folder. Once you've got the software folder open, you can click on software, right? And then click M on the keyboard for Microsoft. Go ahead and then bring down the Microsoft folder. And then from here, we need to go ahead and find it again. I think it is Windows. So go ahead and type W and then look for Windows NT. Click Windows NT, then click on current version. So you open in the current version folder. And then once you're in this current version folder, you need to go ahead and find the software protection folder. So if you go down to S, you should see it here, software protection platform. If you click on that, you can then see activation. But your actual key will be in the software protection platform folder and you'll see backup product key. This here to the right of that is going to be your product key for Windows 11, and I hope that video helped you out.